Hello guys and welcome to my channel Pratham Diaries. In today's topic in Power BI, I will talk about the March 2024 update that Microsoft has released yesterday. And within there is one particular topic that I really liked, which is the auto creation of mobile layouts. And I'll show you how to do that in Power BI. But before we do that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're already subscribed to the channel, please let me know on what topics you want me to do more videos, and I can do that. Also, don't forget to like the video, hit the notification bell so that you can stay updated. So let's go to my laptop and I'll show you how to do that. Now, if you look at, this is the report, and Power BI, as I said, has released the update. So for that you need to be on the March 2024 version. So this is the March 2024 version that you need to be upon. And to enable the auto creation of mobile layouts, you can go to File, Options and Settings. Under Options, you'll have the preview features. So let the preview features load, and under the preview features, here you will have the auto create mobile layout. So this is the section that you need to enable for auto creation of mobile layouts. Now once you enable that, then it requires a restart. So you can restart your laptop or restart your Power BI, I'm sorry. And now here you can go to the mobile layout view, and within the mobile layout view, earlier what we used to do was we used to drag and drop the visuals and then manually format. But if there were a lot of visuals that you had on the page, slicers, buttons, so it was difficult for you to organize. So this was a little bit challenging. And now you have to scroll down and then add new sections in here. So again, this was a little time consuming. And now what Power BI has done with the auto creation of mobile layouts, you have this button here which is called auto create. So now if you look at this, I've created it this way, but once I click on auto create, it will reset the existing layout, and it will use AI to create its own layout. So if you look at this, I have the buttons on the top, the navigation buttons, then I have the text, and then I have the visualizations, and then the final text. So I can then go and change the layout that I want to. But this is going to definitely help me, because I'll have the standard layout that is available. So this is one way. So I'm going to do it, and then so this is how you can the layout looks like. I'll show it on the Power BI mobile as well. So I'll do it for a few more. So if you look at this, there are more visuals here. So I can just click auto create, and my auto create is created. So what I can do here is, I can just move this one, because here there are bookmarks. So page navigation, action, all properties remain the same. So I can then go and keep this onto my layout, and I can increase this a little bit. And similarly, I can do it for the rest of the pages as well. So I can go and do it for the column charts, auto create. So I have the charts. Then I have the combo charts, auto create, and bar charts, auto create, line area charts, and then I have data for all. So now what I'll do is I'll publish this to my Power BI mobile app. I'll publish this to the service, and I can show you how it looks on the Power BI mobile app. But this feature, in a nutshell, is a very, very important feature. I kind of loved it, because this helps you, for people who are going to access the reports on the mobile especially. You don't have to do separate layouts. It kind of helps you out to do that. So I'm going to publish this to my workspace. So let me come back and go back to the web view, and now I can go to home and publish this report. Let me save this. And I can publish into the My Reports workspace. So it will replace it. Replace. So in the meantime it published, I would recommend you guys, please recommend me more videos, more topics that you want me to cover, and I'll be glad to do that. So this report is published. So now what I'll do is I'll show you how it looks on the Power BI app. Within Power BI, so once I open this up, I'll have access to the report. So I'll go to so I have in the recents, I have the report. If you look here, it's updated today. So I'll click on the report, and now I'll see the mobile view, how it looks like on the app. So it's loading. It's on the first page. So if you look at this is really nice. It gives me a clear context of the design that we have. I can go to the second page on the cards, and yeah, this looks good. I have the cards here, I have the buttons. I can scroll down and I can see the text as well. I have a scroller on the text, it works fine. And I can come up, go to the next page. Yeah, this looks really nice, and I kind of like this. So I can go to the pages and I can look at for any other charts, maybe scatter plot. Yeah, so this looks very nice. I kind of like this, and what I would recommend is you try this out, show it to your stakeholders if you're using mobile reports, and show it to them. I'm pretty sure that they would kind of like that. And that's it, guys, for today. And if you have any particular updates, please let me know. I'd love to do more videos. And that's it, guys. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much for your time, and you guys have a lovely rest of the day, week. Thanks, guys.